Albertosaurus Nightmare is very hungry. A Gasosaurus is trying to catch a Pteranodon. The Gasosaurus begins to eat its kill, but Nightmare claims it as his kill. Nightmare eats the Pteranodon until there is no more. Nightmare is still hungry. A Styracosaurus is eating some plants. Nightmare attempts to kill the Styracosaurus. The Styracosaurus injures Nightmare's leg. Nightmare walks away still hungry. A Sauropelta is eating some grasses. Nightmare kills the Sauropelta. Nightmare can finally eat. A Seance Microrum wants the kill. The Seance Microrum attacks Nightmare. Seance claws Nightmare's eyes out. Nightmare bites Seance's hand. Seance chomps down on Nightmare's skull, killing him.